Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah with Revive Chiropractic Centers of Hamburg. We've been talking about low back pain, and today we're talking about sciatica. Now, I want you to know that you're not alone. Lots of people are suffering from issues like sciatica. And you might wonder exactly how do we know what sciatica is? And that's going to be determined by the symptoms that you're displaying, by different examinations that we'll perform to decide what exactly you're suffering from. But the most common cause of sciatica is going to be a pressure on the nerves that is coming from a pressure on the disc all the way up in that lower back, and then it puts pressure onto the sciatic nerve. The only way that you know you have sciatica is if you have pressure on the sciatic nerve. That sciatic nerve runs from that lower back all the way down to your legs, your feet, your toes. Most common symptoms that you may experience with sciatica is a numbness or a tingling, like a pins and needles feeling in your legs all the way down into your feet and your toes. Or you might have a burning. So a burning or a numbness and tingling. Those are things that you may commonly experience when you're suffering from sciatica. Now, some people may have pressure on a different nerve and it will cause numbness or tingling on the upper portion of the thigh area or in a different portion of the leg. So that would not truly be sciatica because it's not pressure on the sciatic nerve. So that's how you know. Where is your pain? Where is your numbness, your tingling? Where is the burning? That will tell us which nerve is commonly being compressed and how we need to treat you from there. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned a little bit of something about sciatica, please like and share this video with your friends, family members, somebody that might need to know more about sciatica. If you have any questions more specific to your specific complaints or what you want to know about sciatica, please post them below. Thanks.